Excuse me.
You're good.
They jumped on that white man. They kicked him and beat him out. Me and my neighbor seen it.
Out of who?
The gentleman in the gray pants right there?
Yep.
He was shooting a gun, about 8 rounds or so. Then he knocked the female down, then he knocked the male and the female down.
Where are those people?
Right there.
Right there.
No.
Did this white couple move into a black neighborhood, aka the ghetto?
Greenhouse.
Them 2 guys and the white people right there in this house right here.
Did anyone get shot?
No.
No, but they shot it. They shot the damn gun.
I seen them shooting it.
Okay. Oh,
and
no.
Then
just hang
I heard it.
We're going to be right.
I heard it.
Okay.
But I seen them when they beat that man up.
What kind of gun did he have?
It was a pistol. I don't know. Couldn't tell.
Okay.
But I seen him boom, boom, boom.
Them 2 right there. Them 2.
See, I wished he would have shot his ass.
Guys, they beat that man up.
The 2 that are pushing?
Ma'am, I seen it. So the guy in the gray shorts shot the gun off. The other guy is kind of camouflage shorts.
Yep.
All right. It's the guy in the gray that he's pushing him back. He's the one that shot off the rounds, knocked over the grill, and started smacking a woman who went this way.
Okay.
And then before she got it over here, they got in the neighbor's yard, and he popped that gentleman in the white shirt, the guy in the gray. And then when another man came out,
this is so confusing.
The one that's up by the door now, that's when the other guy, I guess it's his brother, came over and started jumping him.
Yep. And they started kicking the man.
Where are you at? Because we're gonna.
Right here.
Okay. We'll be back to talk to you in a minute. Okay.
Oh no.
Hey guys, what's going on?
So I heard gunshots.
Okay.
I came outside.
Is anyone shot or anything?
No.
What's that from?
Those 2 right there attacked me.
They attacked you?
They attacked me.
Why?
Because I was trying to defend a girl.
Okay. Do you need medical attention?
No.
Alright, just one.
Damn, see, and when you live in these type of areas, you gotta mind your business. You can't be Captain Save-A-Ho because it might cost you your life. Even though he was doing the right thing, like, man, they supposed to be putting his hands on a woman.
No, they attacked.
Where they at with it? I did not. Clearwater Police. Where's Clearwater at?
Hey, he's saying he was battered by these 2 guys.
Try it again.
Alright.
So try it again. Try it again. Mommy, I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing not one thing. Not one thing. Go in the house.
Yeah. So far, he's saying he was battered by them.
He wasn't battered.
Oh, he's bleeding. Okay.
Damn. That's a hurt. No.
You gonna say you dead in front of the cops? That's dumb.
Yeah, dude in the gray had the gun.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for more people to go. Because they're all trying to fight us. So.
You don't tell us how this is gonna go.
What?
You don't get to tell us how this is gonna go. We're gonna figure all this out.
I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
Don't approach him.
Why?
So that's how it's done. We're not taking your word for it. We're staying right here.
Do what you gotta do then.
All right. That's what we're gonna do.
Do what you gotta do. No, go in the house.
Go in the house.
Go in the house.
Go in the house.
We'll lock the house down. We don't care.
Huh?
We'll lock the house down.
What you mean?
They can do that, stupid. What you mean? See, this is why you need to know the law before you commit crimes with your dumb ass.
Around it. Doesn't matter.
Okay. Can you tell us what happened? I don't know if they talked to you yet. Let's step behind the car.
Yeah, the guy, I heard gunshots.
Oh, they in Florida.
And I heard gunshots, and he was holding the girl down. She left.
Which one was holding the girl down?
This right here.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he was gonna.
This one with the jean shorts?
Yeah, he says he's a killer. And the other guy comes up and I said, "Look, just leave her alone." And then they attacked me.
Okay. You want paramedics?
No.
Okay.
I wish you would have shot the shit out of them too.
Which one was it?
I hate ignorant people. It's really good people in all ethnicities, all culture pools. But the idiots, the dumbasses, oh yeah, take them the fuck out ASAP.
Both of them.
Okay. For what reason?
Because I told them to quit beating on the girl.
What was she wearing?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Okay, so let me tell you like this. Y'all.
When a black person tell you, let me tell you like this, they finna say some bullshit. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, y'all, it's on. Y'all said it's public property.
Well, we're conducting investigations for a really
For
different
what?
Because there's shots fired, people are extremely uncooperative.
Huh? Well, I mean, look at all this.
You keep saying, huh? Your glasses and your ears don't work?
Yeah, because there were shots multiple times.
Who is you yelling at?
Oh no, yeah, take her ass to jail too.
You don't yell at me. I don't care who you is. That's one thing you're not gonna do. You're gonna respect me. You're gonna have some respect.
Now, if he would have battered her in her shit, she would have been mad, right?
No.
We talk about this all the time. The women ain't supposed to be coming at no man, and no man ain't supposed to be coming at no woman, bro. Like, come on, man.
Because I was talking to you like a calm person, and the way that you sit up here and you just raised your voice at me, I don't play that. You don't raise your voice at me.
Oh yeah.
Talk more calmly. What's up?
We had multiple calls for shots fired. That's why we're checking.
Okay. And like,
That's why we're checking to see if everything's okay. We want to make sure nobody's hurt.
Nobody's hurt. Like I was trying to tell him before he started raising his voice at me. He said that I was like, okay. He said they're being uncooperative, but it's like all these police for what? You know what I'm saying? Like
Shots fired, somebody got jumped, and then somebody was beating on a woman.
Anytime we get a call for possible shots fired, yeah, there's going to be a big response. You have to understand, for everybody's protection here, but as well as for ours. So you have to understand it's not like a call where there's a, lost cat or something. We get it.
Investigation?
Not yet, we're all just getting here.
He seemed like he a little slow.
So we'll figure it out, sir, and we'll be out of here.
okay, so y'all just here for it. Okay.
Yep, absolutely.
And you don't want paramedics or anything? If you want, they can come check you out right down the block.
Dad, they're stepping on you.
Oh, lose consciousness or anything?
A little bit.
Dad.
I'm cool.
No, you're not. You have cancer. We can't.
He got cancer. Oh man.
Okay. It's not okay.
No, I don't need anything.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I'm not gonna let anybody get the girl in front of me.
No, you did the right thing.
No, he didn't.
I mean, he's trying to help her, so.
He didn't help at all. Now we're involved and they hate us. He didn't help them at all.
I just, maybe I'll call Daddy again. Like,
Quick, fast, and hurry.
Yeah, do me a favor, sir. Just stay away from this area right here, okay? You can go over here. I appreciate it.
Now, please hurry up with
Thank you.
Get off my property, please. Thank you.
I'm not gonna right now, sir. I'm sorry.
Once y'all done, please get off my property.
Ma'am, don't walk through here, please. Just go around me.
This way my mama lives.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm going this way. Don't touch me.
Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
Yeah. You on your way?
Well, what?
Back up. Don't touch
Hey,
her.
This family is nuts.
hey, we don't need this.
You're not allowing me to.
That's the dog.
We don't need this.
Don't touch my
You on
mom.
your way?
Straight up. Y'all want us back
Okay,
up?
come
Y'all
on,
back
cause
up.
it's like 30 deep.
So respect.
It's like 30 deep. I'm not walking up on you, but I need to get through here.
This is a crime scene.
Get on money. You walking up. Don't walk up.
Take him. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
Oh yeah, look at you. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Get on the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Y'all trick her. Don't touch her. I was late. Don't touch me.
That'll help your case a lot.
Bat Leo, right there. Spit on my face. Bat Leo. Congratulations. Felony charge.
Dumbass.
Battery on Leo. He just spit in my face.
Did he just try to kick him? Why he got his hand on his titty nipple like that though?
Ma'am, can I tell you something? Ma'am, what are you doing?
The whole family need SSI checks.
Hey, Curcio, watch her.
Man, don't come over here. Don't touch my mama.
Okay.
Don't touch my mama. Don't touch me.
Doesn't stay on the
I don't know
sidewalk.
what for. You ain't taking me no. Well,
Please, can somebody please arrest her and sit her ass in the back of the cop car, please?
you ain't gonna take me no. Well,
Now you're going to jail for another Bat Leo. 2 Bat Leos, got it. Bat Leo threats to Leo. I hate y'all shooting a gun.
So what? I do it. I ain't got no gun. You can't do that. Wait, do that. Do that. I swear to God.
Can't even talk right.
Listen, I expect you to shoot. Do it.
I mean, you stared at me like a fool.
Hey! Yeah.
Stare at me, your eyes follow me everywhere I go.
Y'all can take, I'm not going over there, but I am going to touch my son without you all over my face. Y'all, hey! Y'all
Stop.
back up,
We're
man.
not doing this.
No, we are not doing this. Come on, my face.
Come on. We gotta go to work in the morning. It ain't worth it.
I'm just asking.
No, I'm just telling you.
You done already acted crazy. Now you gotta go to work in the morning. Come on, man. Which one is it?
How you telling me to come down when she walking all the way up in my face? I'm trying to make it a work tomorrow, but I don't need nobody all up in my face.
I'm just trying to talk to you. Do you want to talk to me?
No. Okay. Absolutely not. I don't have nothing to say to y'all, but I do. Don't try to handle my son. Don't. I'm not going over there.
Oh, okay, that's what you call it? You harassing people.
I receive a paycheck for it.
Oh, I receive a paycheck for what I do too. I call what you
Tell her ass, Karen.
call it. It's harassing.
Hey.
Harassing. And okay, so why all y'all is up on him like that?
Because he's not cooperating, ma'am.
And you're not even because I told y'all to get it out my face.
For one boy? For one boy.
They want to get arrested so bad. Please let them get arrested. Just let them get arrested, please.
Hey, y'all get off my son like that.
Keeps kicking him.
Maybe if they'll let him
They're
go.
just trying to get him in the car, but he's resisting the whole time. He ran from us.
Like this, come on
He's
now.
an
It's
adult.
not what you do, it's how you do it.
Don't run and spit at cops.
It's not what you do, it's how you do it.
It's what he
Because you know
did.
what?
It's what
Y'all
he did.
wrong
He spit
too.
on cops.
Y'all wrong
Nobody's
too.
wrong. We got called
Yes, you
here.
are. You
We
wrong.
got okay.
You wrong.
We got called here. We didn't just show up.
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car.
Hey, don't tell my son nothing.
I'm lost. Curcio.
Because he was handling himself in the same manner that.
But it doesn't matter. He has no reason to be right to speak according to the law.
Took flight and ran.
Oh, here we go with the fake ass lawyers.
So,
Ran well. What he need to run for?
Y'all had him on the ground, so where the fuck did he
he
run?
went from here to there.
Let me handle this.
He was up there when y'all came up with tasers on him with lights. So where the fuck did he run?
See, y'all
Where did
expect
he run?
for
He
people
was
to
on
calm
his
down,
hands
but y'all
and
don't
knees.
give them.
So
Y'all
where
want
did
to
he run?
Let me handle this, son, please, because I'm not trying to go to jail because that's what it's finna get to the point. Now, listen to me. Y'all want respect, but y'all don't want to give it.
I'm giving it to you.
You understand what I'm saying? Okay, then why did you put your hands on my son?
I didn't touch arrest your son.
You just said y'all ran up on him with tasers and put my
Yes,
son on the
because
ground.
there was a shooting. I am
Okay,
protecting
but
the
they
evidence.
don't have nothing to do with no shooting. If you want to find out something, come up and ask. Don't pull guns and tasers on my children.
Yes.
Man, they grown ass kids, boy. Grown ass adults. They ain't children no more.
Y'all did.
Understand what I'm saying? Now, we pull guns and tasers on y'all, then what?
That would be
First
bad
off,
news.
don't point your finger in my face.
I can point wherever the fuck I want to point
You'll
at.
go right back to prison, buddy. I got no problem putting your ass back in prison. I have no
Oh, they got history.
problem. I am the
Lieutenant.
You're gonna kill me? Now you're going to jail.
Unnecessary. Just go.
This family is about it. They said everybody, the police, everybody. They dumb as hell, though, I tell you that.
We don't have.
They want prison sandwiches and be woken up at 4:30 in the morning.
Don't have permission to go inside the house.
These crackers smoking out.
Please go in the house. Please go in the house.
Daddy, I didn't do not one thing wrong. I ain't do nothing wrong.
Just get on that corner right there. Hey, right there, that corner, so you can see all the way to the back. Okay, all right.
Now, what is the problem? Y'all got my children all upset, and you can get me upset. Now, what's going on? No, we ain't done talking.
Shh, okay, play that game if you want to.
Now, what's the problem? I want to know what the problem is. You got one of my sons in there, but you say you're doing an investigation. The way you're doing an investigation comes with respect, not the manner of showing y'all authority trying to run over people.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
What the f*** you mean you don't know what we're talking about?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Man,
Hell no, man.
I tell you what, all this
So the kids act like this because the parents act like this. It makes sense.
in the end. Y'all want a war, bitch, you're gonna be there. You can't give me no affidavit. Why should I give you something? I'm trying to find out the f*** going on my children. And y'all talking about bullshit. Y'all think y'all got a gun in your badge? Y'all man, f*** you motherfuckers, man.
Y'all probably been a fuck thing, nigga.
Yeah, we're just gonna collect the gun shell casings and leave. That's it. Yep, 100%. 100%. 100%, sir. 100%.
Please, get him and go.
Yep, we're just collecting and then we're gonna go. Yep, I'm counting down the seconds. Trust me. Man, I wish we could move faster.
Make sure y'all catch the that just shot in my yard.
Gotcha. I'm sure the neighborhood's gonna give us plenty of information for that, right?
Thank you.
Okay.
Look like they ain't do a good job of shooting in your yard, cause y'all still here.
Man, y'all please just get out of here.
We're as soon as we're doing it. Y'all have a great night. Take care. Nope. Okay, catch you later.
Did he say see you again?
City clear. We're taking it today.
All right, everybody back in their cars, and we'll rendezvous somewhere else.
Try to get the victim out of next door. He doesn't want to be seen by the neighborhood.
That's fine. We've got.
So we got charges on which one?
We've got charges on.
Dude, it's already 10:15, and the guy was
And we don't have a victim next door.
We do.
We do. Did you have a phone number for her?
I'm gonna go grab it. He's cooperative. He wants to go to FD, but he doesn't want to walk out in front of everybody. Just battery, yeah. Just simple battery. There's allegedly a female victim that he tried to intervene in some kind of domestic. They were beating the out of this girl. She ran off. So
okay, so we don't have her.
We just have
let's
him.
get a phone number for 11:30 and see if you can call him. Okay.
Yeah, you start the GPS out
Yep.
here.
He was charged with felony battery, 4 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 4 counts of threatening a law enforcement officer, improper exhibition of a firearm or dangerous weapon,
Damn!
resisting with violence, and resisting without violence.
Damn!
He was sentenced to 31.2 months in prison.
He'll be out in the jiffy. That was dumb as hell, though. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content, as always. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share, as it helps my channel out tremendously. See you guys at the next premiere. And that's it, baby. We out.